I was told if you got nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. Damn that. What's going on, my good people? It's your big homie Leonard back again with another video, man. For all my returning subscribers, I want to welcome y'all back to another one. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button for your boy and subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. And to all the people that subscribe to my channel, you already know how I like to do it. I don't like to take too much of y'all time, so let's go ahead and dive inside this video. And as you can see by the title, man, today I'm about to review the Air Jordan 12 Twist.
Dad, there's a fly in here.
I know, son, because I got some trash in here. It's just trash. I gotta take it out. Honestly, man, in my opinion, this is an unnecessary colorway. I mean, we really don't need this. I was talking to a fellow YouTuber, man. He said this kind of reminds him of the Rising Suns that came out not too long ago. And it does. It's just an unnecessary colorway. I really don't want to bash this shoe too much, but I'm just not a fan of all white sneakers, especially on the Jordan 12. This is so unnecessary. But anyway, man, enough of me talking shit about the sneaker, man. Let's go ahead and dive into it. The first thing I like to talk about is the quality. Now, the quality ain't bad. I mean, it kind of remind me of the Taxi 12s that dropped, what, 2013? Yeah, 2013. The feel is about the same. Nah, this is a little harder. This is a little harder. I mean, everything cool for the most part. I don't see no factory flaws on it. I mean, how can you mess up an all white sneaker? Beats me, but leave it to Jordan brand and Nike, they will do it. I mean, looking at this sneaker, there's nothing really to talk about. I mean, it's all white. You got red hits on the eyelids. You got red on the midsole panel. Black jump, man. Black 2-3 sitting on the tongue. You got a black insole with a red jump, man. The pull tab black. I mean, there's nothing really to say about it. One thing I did find weird, that these sneakers actually did come with an extra set of laces. Came with black laces for all the people that like to switch their laces. Once again, I'm not a fan of that. I think I'm too old, but if you a fan of switching your laces, I mean, it come with a black pair. I don't know what you're gonna do with it. I don't know how y'all gonna freak those out, but y'all will find a way. One thing I can say, with this sneaker dropping close to the school year, this should be a semi-easy cop if you really want it. If you really want it, I believe you can get it if you put your footwork in. But yeah, man, I apologize for the video being so short, man. Like I said, once again, it's an all-white Jordan 12 with red hints. There's nothing spectacular about it. But I will say, once again, this is a great going back to school shoe. So if your kids want it, I mean, go ahead, get it, and don't forget to put your footwork in, because Jordans, for some odd reason, is selling out like crazy. I mean, everybody talks so much trash about the 3s that came out not too long ago, but when I jump on sneaker out, them things sold like that. But like I said, once again, put your footwork in, man. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button for your boy. And don't forget to follow me on IG at BigHomie_Leonard. Until next time, man, I'm out of here.